Hello, welcome to Easy English Club.
Hello, we are happy you are here. Let's learn English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Club. I'm Mike.
And I'm Lily. Hi, Mike. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about you, Lily?
I'm wonderful, thank you. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we will talk about family.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about your family in English.
This is very useful for everyday conversations.
It is. People often ask about family.
So let's learn how to answer those questions.
Let's start with a simple question. Mike, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
That's nice. I have two sisters.
So today, we'll learn how to talk about family members.
We'll learn the words and how to describe them.
Let's start with the basic family words.
Good idea. The most important words are mother and father.
Your mother is your mom. Your father is your dad.
You can say mom and dad. These are informal.
Or you can say mother and father. These are more formal.
Most people say mom and dad in everyday conversation.
Next, we have brother and sister.
Your brother is a boy in your family.
Your sister is a girl in your family.
If you have no brothers or sisters, you can say, I'm an only child.
Now, let's talk about grandparents.
Your grandmother is your mom's mother or your dad's mother.
Your grandfather is your mom's father or your dad's father.
We often say grandma and grandpa.
These are warm, friendly words.
Now let's learn about other family members.
Your aunt is your mom's sister or your dad's sister.
Your uncle is your mom's brother or your dad's brother.
Your cousin is your aunt's child or your uncle's child.
Let's practice these words together.
Good idea. My mother's name is Susan.
My father's name is Robert.
I have one older brother named Tom.
I have two younger sisters named Emma and Sarah.
My grandmother lives with us.
My grandfather lives in another city.
Perfect. Now let's learn how to describe your family.
Yes, people often ask, how big is your family?
You can answer, I have a small family.
Or, I have a big family.
Or, there are 4 people in my family.
Let's practice. Mike, how big is your family?
There are 5 people in my family. How about you?
I have a big family. There are 7 people in my family.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
Yes, I love having a big family.
Now, let's learn how to describe family members.
Yes, you can talk about age. For example, my brother is older than me.
Or, my sister is younger than me.
You can say, my grandmother is 70 years old.
Or, my son is 5 years old.
You can also describe personality.
For example, my mom is very kind.
Or, my dad is funny and cheerful.
My brother is quiet and shy.
My sister is outgoing and friendly.
You can describe appearance too.
For example, my mom has long black hair.
Or, my dad is tall with brown eyes.
My sister has curly hair.
My brother wears glasses.
Let's practice describing family members.
Okay, my mother is 50 years old. She's very caring and gentle.
That's sweet. My father is 55. He's hardworking and patient.
My brother is 30. He's tall and has short brown hair.
My older sister is 28. She's smart and confident.
Great descriptions. Now, let's talk about what family members do.
Yes, you can talk about jobs and activities.
For example, my mom is a teacher.
Or, my dad works in an office.
My sister is a nurse.
My brother is a student.
You can also say, my grandmother is retired.
Retired means she doesn't work anymore.
Let's practice. What does your mom do, Lily?
My mom is a doctor. She works at a hospital. What about your dad?
My dad is an engineer. He designs buildings.
That's interesting. What does your sister do?
She's a graphic designer. She works from home.
Cool. Now let's learn about family activities.
Yes, you can talk about what you do with your family.
For example, I have dinner with my family every night.
Or we watch movies together on weekends.
My family goes to the park on Sundays.
We visit my grandparents once a month.
Let's talk about hobbies, too.
Good idea. My dad likes to cook.
My mom enjoys reading books.
My brother loves playing video games.
My sister likes painting and drawing.
What do you like to do with your family, Lily?
We like to go hiking together. It's fun and healthy.
That sounds great. My family likes to have barbecues in the summer.
Yum! I love barbecues.
Now, let's learn how to talk about relationships.
Yes, you can describe how close you are to family members.
For example, I'm very close to my mom.
Or, I talk to my sister every day.
My brother is my best friend.
I look up to my dad. That means I admire him.
You can also say, my grandma takes care of me.
Or, I help my parents with housework.
Let's practice. Who are you closest to in your family, Lily?
I'm very close to my younger sister. We share everything.
That's wonderful. I'm closest to my brother. We grew up together.
Family relationships are special.
They really are. Now, let's learn some common questions about family.
Good idea. The first question is, do you have any siblings?
Siblings means brothers and sisters.
You can answer, yes, I have 2 brothers.
Or, no, I'm an only child.
Another question is, do you live with your parents?
You can say, yes, I live with my parents.
Or, no, I live alone.
Or, I live with my roommates.
People also ask, are you married?
You can answer, yes, I'm married.
Or, no, I'm single.
If you're married, people might ask, do you have children?
You can say, yes, I have 2 kids.
Or, no, not yet.
Or, no, we don't have children.
Let's practice these questions.
Okay, Mike, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in my own apartment now.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. I have a wife named Jennifer.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 1 daughter. She's 3 years old.
That's lovely. What's her name?
Her name is Emily. She's very energetic.
I bet she's adorable. Now let's talk about extended family.
Extended family means relatives beyond parents and siblings.
For example, cousins, aunts, uncles, nieces, and nephews.
Your niece is your brother's daughter or your sister's daughter.
Your nephew is your brother's son or your sister's son.
Let's practice. Do you have any cousins, Lily?
Yes, I have 5 cousins. We see each other at family gatherings.
That's nice. I have 3 cousins.
Do you have any nieces or nephews?
Yes, I have 1 nephew. He's my sister's son.
How old is he?
He's 7 years old. He loves playing soccer.
That's great. Now let's learn about family events.
Yes, families often get together for special occasions.
For example, we celebrate birthdays together.
Or we have a big dinner on holidays.
My family has a reunion every summer.
A reunion means everyone gets together.
We also celebrate weddings and graduations.
These are important family moments.
What holidays does your family celebrate, Mike?
We celebrate Christmas and New Year together.
That sounds fun. My family celebrates Thanksgiving.
We always have a big meal with turkey and pie.
Delicious. Food brings families together.
It really does. Now let's practice a full conversation about family.
Great idea. I'll ask you questions, Mike.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tell me about your family, Mike.
I have a medium-sized family. There are 5 people.
Who are they?
My parents, my brother, my sister, and me.
What are your parents like?
My mom is kind and caring. She loves cooking for us.
And your dad?
My dad is funny and smart. He tells great stories.
What about your siblings?
My brother is older than me. He's responsible and helpful.
And your sister?
My sister is the youngest. She's creative and energetic.
Do you see them often?
Yes, we try to have dinner together once a week.
That's wonderful. Family time is important.
I agree. Now let me ask you, Lily, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a big family. There are 7 people.
Wow, who are they?
My parents, my 2 sisters, my brother, my grandmother, and me.
That is a big family. What are your parents like?
My mom is gentle and patient. She's a great listener.
And your dad?
My dad is hardworking and supportive. He always encourages us.
What about your siblings?
I have an older sister, a younger sister, and a younger brother.
Tell me about them.
My older sister is confident and independent. She lives in another city.
And your younger sister?
She's friendly and outgoing. She loves meeting new people.
What about your brother?
He's the youngest. He's playful and curious about everything.
And your grandmother lives with you?
Yes, she's wonderful. She tells us stories about the past.
That's special. Do you all live together?
Yes, except for my older sister. She visits us on weekends.
Your home must be lively.
It is. There's always something happening.
I can imagine. Now let's review what we learned today.
We learned basic family words like mom, dad, brother, and sister.
We learned about grandparents, aunts, uncles, nieces, and nephews.
We learned how to describe family members.
We talked about age, personality, and appearance.
We learned how to talk about what family members do.
We practiced common questions about family.
And we talked about family activities and events.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Think about your family.
How many people are in your family?
What are their names?
What are they like?
Try to describe each person.
You can practice by yourself or with a friend.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn and improve.
Remember, every family is different and special.
Talk about your family with pride.
Family is important in every culture.
Learning to talk about family helps you connect with others.
So practice these phrases and questions.
Use them in real conversations when you can.
Well, I think our time is up for today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening.
We hope you enjoyed learning about family.
Remember to practice talking about your family in English.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye!